All right, guys, welcome back to Engineering Major Philosophy Minor. And you can see here that I did go ahead and get a microphone earlier today. And I also released a couple other videos earlier today. And this is to follow up with that video that I just released earlier. So if you watch that, what you'd find is in the middle of the video, I was filming at kind of like a railroad museum where you can go and explore some of the old historic locomotives that they have out on static display. And while I was filming, a really cool 6-year-old boy climbed up on the train and he started talking to me about trains. And he was saying that him and his dad were waiting for the Frontrunner to come by. And this is a passenger train service that travels through the area, and the tracks were kind of right next to us. And he asked me if I was going to film the train, and I said, yeah, I probably will film a train if it comes by. And then he said, you know what you should do is you should post it on YouTube so I can watch it later. So unfortunately I didn't ask what this little boy's name was. Eventually his father came by and was explaining to me that his son is really fascinated by the Frontrunner and he looks at the YouTube videos all the time. So anyway, without further ado, to the little boy, I filmed the train, and you're going to watch that in a second. And I actually got a second train going in the opposite direction. So if you want to see more Frontrunner videos, or if you want to see another Frontrunner go by, just keep watching past the first one, and you will get to see 2 trains in this video. Thanks so much for coming up and chatting about trains. I used to be the exact same way when I was 6 years old, that kid's age. So I hope in some way that he's able to find this and look at it, if not today or tomorrow, eventually, through the process of Googling Frontrunner, but I'll try to make it as accessible to him as possible. So without further ado, let's go ahead and watch a couple trains.
Shivering, Papa. It's weird. It's so weird. Sometimes when you plug yours, it makes your voice louder.
Yeah.
It's almost coming.
Should be way better.
Did you film that as a video?
I did.